In a move signaling tightened coordination between neighboring units, former Tripura Chief Minister and BJP's West Bengal election co-incharge Biplab Kumar Deb visited the West Bengal Legislative Assembly for a high-level meeting. Deb met with the entire bloc of BJP MLAs to discuss legislative strategies and organizational goals. He was accompanied by the LoP Suvendu Adhikari, highlighting a unified front as the party ramps up to its activities in the state. The closed-door session at the Assembly premises focused on several critical areas for the party's future in West Bengal. Coordination on how to effectively counter the ruling party on the Assembly floor. The joint appearance with Suvendu Adhikari was intended to project a consolidated leadership structure. Discussions touched upon the preparatory groundwork required for the upcoming 2026 Assembly elections. Since being appointed as a co-incharge for the state, Biplab Kumar Deb has been increasingly active in West Bengal. This visit to the Assembly is seen as a hands-on approach to ensure that the legislative wing and the organizational wing are in complete sync.
নানা বিধানসভা নির্বাচনের দায়িত্ব দিয়ে সফলতার মুখ দল পেয়েছে অন্যতম কারিগর, বিশেষ করে লোকসভার পরে হরিয়ানার নির্বাচনে তার যে ভূমিকা হাতে ধর্মেন্দ্র প্রধানজি, সেটা সবাই আমরা কৃতজ্ঞতা চিত্তে স্মরণ করি। আমরা খুব খুশি তিনি পশ্চিমবঙ্গ প্রদেশ ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির যে নির্বাচনী ইনচার্জ আছেন।
The presence of Biplab Kumar Deb alongside Suvendu Adhikari sends a clear message of central oversight and regional cooperation, noted a senior party member present at the meeting. Pure report, Chini Khorang.